Have you ever planted a seed and waited, but nothing seemed to happen? Sometimes the most important growth is invisible. There is an old story from Asia. It is about the bamboo tree. The bamboo tree is strong, tall, and beautiful, but it does not grow like other plants. It has its own lesson to teach about patience, waiting, and sudden success. Imagine this. You take a small bamboo seed. You place it carefully in the soil. You water it. You give it sunshine. You care for it with hope. But after 1 month, nothing. 2 months, nothing. 6 months, still nothing. You begin to wonder, did the seed die? Did I do something wrong? But the truth is this: the bamboo seed is alive. It is working under the ground. It is growing deep roots. These roots are strong, wide, and hidden. They prepare for something great. But you cannot see them. You must trust. For 1 year, still nothing grows above the soil. For 2 years, no green shoot. 3 years, silence. 4 years, only patience. Imagine the farmer. Every day, he waters the empty soil. He takes care of something he cannot see. His neighbors laugh. They say, "Why are you wasting your time? Nothing will grow there." But the farmer believes. He continues. And then, in the 5th year, something amazing happens. A tiny green shoot pushes through the soil. It grows taller and taller and taller. In just 6 weeks, the bamboo grows more than 20 meters high. Yes, 20 meters in 6 weeks. The farmer smiles. He knew the truth all along. The bamboo was not doing nothing. For years, it was preparing. It was building its foundation. The sudden growth was only possible because of the long waiting. The story of the bamboo tree is not just about farming. It is about life. It is about you and me. Sometimes we work hard but see no result. We study, we practice, we try again and again, but life feels quiet, slow, or even empty. This is the moment of patience. Like the bamboo, our effort may be invisible. We are growing inside, building our roots, making our base strong. Think about learning English. Maybe you listen, read, and practice every day. At first, you feel no progress. You forget words, you make mistakes. But slowly, quietly, your mind is growing stronger. One day, you notice something. You understand a new movie. You speak more smoothly. You write more clearly. The growth is sudden. The success is real. But it came from years of patient work, just like the bamboo. Let me share a simple truth. Patience is power. The world teaches us to rush. Fast food, fast money, fast success. But deep success is never fast. Deep success is slow, invisible, and steady. Like the bamboo, it takes time. There are 3 lessons from the bamboo tree. First, trust the process. When you water the soil, when you repeat your practice, you are not wasting time. You are preparing. Every drop counts. Every effort matters. Second, build strong roots. Roots are invisible, but they are the most important. For English learners, roots are listening, reading, practicing simple words and repeating them. Do not worry about big grammar or difficult words in the beginning. Focus on strong basics, strong roots. Third, believe in sudden growth. You may feel stuck for months or years, but one day something changes. Your skills rise quickly. People notice. You surprise yourself. That moment is the bamboo moment. Let's think of a real example. Maria was a young woman from Brazil. She dreamed of working in another country. She wanted to speak English fluently. Every night, she studied for 1 hour. She listened to podcasts. She repeated phrases. She wrote small notes. But for 2 years, she felt weak. She thought, maybe I will never speak well. Her friends told her to give up. But Maria remembered the story of the bamboo tree. She continued. She waited. She trusted. And then, one day, something changed. She traveled to London for the first time. At the airport, she spoke with confidence. She ordered food, asked for directions, even joked with strangers. She realized her English was alive. Her bamboo had finally grown. That moment gave her courage. She applied for jobs. And within a few months, she received her dream offer. The bamboo tree teaches us that waiting is not weakness. Waiting is work. Silence is not empty. Silence is growth. Remember these useful words: patience, trust, process, invisible, roots, strong, steady, sudden, growth, believe, prepare, effort, success, foundation. These words will guide you, like the bamboo. So, the next time you feel tired, remember the bamboo tree. When progress feels slow, remember the bamboo tree. When others laugh, when the soil looks empty, when your dream feels far, remember the bamboo tree. One day, your bamboo will rise. One day, your effort will shine. One day, your patience will bring success. And when it does, you will smile, because you never stopped watering the soil. So, dear listener, trust your journey. Practice your English every day, even if it feels invisible. Build strong roots. Believe in sudden growth. Your bamboo is waiting. Now, take a deep breath. Repeat after me. I am patient. I am steady. I believe in my growth. Keep practicing. Keep believing. Your bamboo will rise.